Welcome to Legal Term of the Day. Today's term is class action lawsuit. So what is a class action lawsuit? Well, let's start with what is a lawsuit. A lawsuit is the filing of a complaint or pleading against another person, company, anything like that. You can sue for breach of contract, tons of causes of action. So a regular lawsuit is usually one person versus one, or a couple people versus a couple people. Nothing too big. However, a class action lawsuit is when one member, individual, or entity sues on behalf of an entire class. So this could be hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of people in a class action lawsuit. So the real reason to do this is to take all of these similar claims, roll them into one. It's really for judicial economy. It helps save time, helps save matters. It helps the defendant save a lot of money because they're not defending lawsuits in all different courts, but it also helps the plaintiffs. It's very beneficial to the plaintiffs. Now everything is rolled into one, and usually one or two firms will handle something like that. So one big difference with a class action lawsuit as opposed to a regular lawsuit would be that the complaint has to be certified and the class has to be certified. And once the class is certified, there's notices that will go out. So you get notice of maybe U.S. mail, email. You'll see publications online. Sometimes you see ads on TV or on the radio, or if you've been a victim of this, or if you've used this medicine, call us. That is looking for class members to establish a class action lawsuit. Now, if you opt into a class action lawsuit, what you have to keep in mind is that most of these lawsuits do settle outside of court. They don't go to jury trials that often. Another thing to keep in mind is that the payout is administered. So if you opt in, you could potentially get a payout for whatever settlement. Now, say you have 1,000 people in a class action, or you think you have 1,000 people, and only 400 opt in. So that remaining 600 have opted out. If there's any remaining money during the settlement, then that money stays with the defendants. So there are quite a few differences between class actions and regular lawsuits. I've only scraped the surface. There's a number of other differences. If you think you have a class action lawsuit, or you think you're a member of a class action lawsuit, you can give us a call. We can discuss it with you. Always great to have all you guys listening. Legal term of the day. Today's was class action lawsuit.